This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 3, What to Listen For and Why. The art of listening is foundational for effective communication and building meaningful connections with others. From a young age, children learn to listen before speaking to express their needs and understand language. However, good listening skills are often lost as we grow older, causing emotional disconnect. Listening actively involves focusing one's attention, comprehending information, thoughts, beliefs, and emotions beyond simply hearing words. It is a complex cognitive process that involves perceiving a speaker's attitudes and overcoming barriers like language differences, environmental noise, and psychological factors. Psychological barriers like bias, impatience, and lack of empathy are key obstacles that prevent active listening and hinder effective interpersonal communication. Developing skills like empathy and self-awareness is crucial for becoming a skilled listener and fostering personal growth. To improve listening abilities, one must prepare by minimizing distractions, avoid interrupting others, and cultivate patience. Additionally, identifying mutual interests, clarifying intentions, and resolving discord through attentive listening facilitates purposeful collaboration. Powerful techniques for effective listening include adopting a beginner's mindset, managing one's emotions, shedding biases, practicing patience through pauses, and listening for emotions, content, and inconsistencies to connect deeply with the speaker. In group discussions, active listening requires classifying speakers based on their attitudes, assimilating information through categorization, and responding appropriately. With consistent practice, active listening can become a transformative habit across various contexts. Ultimately, developing strong listening skills fosters empathy, connection, and understanding between individuals. By overcoming psychological barriers, adopting strategies like patience and focus, and employing techniques like a beginner's mindset, one can transform their ability to communicate effectively and profoundly. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.